In a bit of my garden. Does this flower look familiar? Does it look like it's in the wrong place? Would you think it's a weed? Would you think I'd got it from a garden centre? This particular little flower that we're looking at here is a wild one. It's all over the place at the moment. It's called Cardamom pratensis, and it's if you see the little four petals here, that's telling you that it's a mustard. Very, very mustardy flavour. People used to believe that this was a good medicine to stimulate your heart. But again, this time of year we had so many plants that have that kind of wasabi kick that gets your digestive juices and your internal tract working. So we're going to try a bit of this. I eat these all the time actually, I think they're absolutely great. You can do anything you want with these. Put them on a salad, put them in a sandwich, float them on top of a cocktail if you want. But there are lots of them around and they're absolutely beautiful, and I would really encourage you to have a taste of them.